Alder is the common name of a genus of flowering plants belonging to the birch family Betulaceae. The genus comprises about 30 species of monoecious trees and shrubs, a few reaching a large size, distributed throughout the North Temperate Zone with a few species extending into Central America and the northern Andes. Etymology: the common name alder evolved from Old English alla, which in turn is derived from Proto-Germanic root, 1, alizo. The generic name Alnus is the equivalent Latin name. Both the Latin and the Germanic words derive from the Proto-Indo-European root el, meaning red, or brown, which is also a root for the English words elk, and another tree, elm, a tree distantly related to the alders. 2. Description: with a few exceptions, alders are deciduous, and the leaves are alternate, simple, and serrated. The flowers are catkins with elongate male catkins on the same plant as shorter female catkins, often before leaves appear. They are mainly wind-pollinated, but also visited by bees to a small extent. These trees differ from the birches in that the female catkins are woody and do not disintegrate at maturity, opening to release the seeds in a similar manner to many conifer cones. The largest species are red alder on the west coast of North America, and black alder, native to most of Europe and widely introduced elsewhere, both reaching over 30 m. By contrast, the widespread Alnus viridis is rarely more than a 5 m tall shrub. Ecology: alder leaves and sometimes catkins are used as food by numerous butterflies and moths. A. glutinosa and A. viridis are classed as environmental weeds in New Zealand. Nitrogen fixation: alder is particularly noted for its important symbiotic relationship with Frankia alni, an actinomycete, filamentous, nitrogen-fixing bacterium. This bacterium is found in root nodules, which may be as large as a human fist, with many small lobes, and light brown in color. The bacterium absorbs nitrogen from the air and makes it available to the tree. Alder, in turn, provides the bacterium with sugars, which it produces through photosynthesis. As a result of this mutually beneficial relationship, alder improves the fertility of the soil where it grows, and as a pioneer species, it helps provide additional nitrogen for the successional species which follow. Parasites: alder roots are parasitized by northern ground cone. Uses: the catkins of some alder species have a degree of edibility, and may be rich in protein. Reported to have a bitter and unpleasant taste, they are more useful for survival purposes. The wood of certain alder species is often used to smoke various food items, especially salmon and other seafood. Most of the pilings that form the foundation of Venice were made from alder trees. Alder bark contains the anti-inflammatory salicin, which is metabolized into salicylic acid in the body. Native Americans used red alder bark to treat poison oak, insect bites, and skin irritations. Blackfeet Indians used an infusion made from the bark of red alder to treat lymphatic disorders and tuberculosis. Recent clinical studies have verified that red alder contains betulin and lupeol, compounds shown to be effective against a variety of tumors. The inner bark of the alder, as well as Rhodosia dogwood, or choke cherry, was also used by Native Americans in their smoking mixtures, known as kinnikinnick, to improve the taste of the bearberry leaf. Alder is illustrated in the coat of arms for the Austrian town of Groß-Isle. Electric guitars, most notably the Fender Jazz Bass, Fender Precision Bass, Fender Stratocaster and Fender Telecaster, have been built with alder bodies since the 1950s. Alder is appreciated for its claimed tight and even balanced tone, especially when compared to mahogany, and has been adopted by many electric guitar manufacturers. As a hardwood, alder is used in making furniture, cabinets, and other woodworking products. For example, in the television series Northern Exposure 1992 Season 3 episode Things Become Extinct, Native American Ira Wingfeather makes duck flutes out of alder tree branches while Ed Shigliak films. Alder bark and wood contain tannin and were traditionally used to tan leather. Classification: the genus is divided into 3 subgenera: subgenus Alnus, trees with stalked shoot buds, male and female catkins produced in autumn but stay closed over winter, pollinating in late winter or early spring, about 15 a euro 25 species, including Alnus acuminata cantha Euro-Andean order, Mexico, Central, South America. Alnus cordata Dubai Euro-Italian order, Italy, Albania, Corsica. Naturalized in Belgium, Spain, Azores, California. Alnus cremasdogen Burkill, China. Alnusa, elliptica rec Italy. Alnusa, Villasana Callia, Ohio, New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. Alnus firma Siebold and Zuck. A Euro-Kayashan island in Japan. Alnus glutinosa Gautn. A Euro-Black order, Europe, Central Asia. Naturalized in New Zealand, Chile, Ontario, northeastern United States. Alnusa, Hanidicyanata, Japan. Alnus incanamoenchi Euro-Grey order, Eurasia, North America. Alnus hirsute UPR. A Euro-Manchurian order, Japan, Korea, Manchuria, Siberia, Russian Far East. Alnusa, Hoswa Mizush. Japan. Alnus oblonifolia Tor. A Euro-Arizona order, Arizona, New Mexico, Sonora, Chihuahua. Alnus rugosa Sprang. A Euro-Speckled order, northeastern North America. Alnus tenuifolia Nut. A Euro-Thin leaf all mountain order, northwestern North America. Alnus japonica Stead. A Euro-Japanese order, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, eastern China, Russian Far East. Alnus jorulensis cantha Euro-Mexican order, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras. Alnus manchurica hand Maz. A Euro-Russian Far East, northeastern China, Korea. Alnus matsumuri Callia. A Euro-Honshu island in Japan. Alnusa, Maria Callia, Russian Far East, Japan. Alnus nepalensis Didon. A Euro-Nepalese order, Himalayas, Tibet, Yunnan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand. Naturalized in Hawaii. Alnus orientalis Deccan. A Euro-Oriental order, southern Turkey, northwest Syria, Cyprus, Lebanon, Palestine, Iran. Alnusa, Peculi Ariziyama, Kayashan island in Japan. Alnus pendulum. A Euro-Japan, Korea. Alnusa, pubescens torch, northern plus central Europe. Alnus rumifolia Nut. A Euro-White order, California, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana. Alnus rubra Bong. A Euro-Red order, Alaska, Yukon, British Columbia, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana. Alnus cerulata Wild. A Euro-Hazel order, Tag order or Smooth alder, eastern North America. Alnus Sieboldiana Matsum. A Euro-Japan, Ryukyu Islands. Alnus subcordata Siame Caucasian order, Caucasus, Iran. Alnus trabeculosa hand Maz. A Euro-China, Japan, subgenus Clothropsis. Trees or shrubs with stalked shoot buds, male and female catkins produced in autumn and expanding and pollinating then. 3 species. Alnus formosana machino. A Euro-Formosan order, Taiwan. Alnus maritima muex Nut. A Euro-Seaside order, United States. Alnus nightha Endel. A Euro-Himalayan order, Western Himalaya, Pakistan, India, Nepal. Subgenus Alnabetula. Shrubs with shoot buds not stalked, male and female catkins produced in late spring and expanding and pollinating then. 1 to 4 species. Alnus Alnabetula K. Koch D.C., 1805, temperate plus subarctic Europe, Asia, North America. Unknown subgenus, Alnus javansha H. Ser, Iran. Alnus dolichocarpa H. Ser, Amani and Asadi, Iran. Alnus foria H. La copyright v. and Vaniot, Honshu Island in Japan. Alnus ferdinandi Coburger C. Kashnyad. Southern China. Alnus glutypes Voroshier Qtia region of Siberia. Alnus hakodensis Hayashi, Honshu Island in Japan. Alnus Henry C. Kashnyad. Taiwan. Alnus lanata Duthi X. Bean, Sichuan Province in China. Alnus Meru H. La copyright v. Yunnan Province in China. Alnus Maximo Wich Circalia, Japan, Korea, Russian Far East. Alnus paniculata Nakai, Korea. Alnus cerulatoidscalia, Japan. Alnusa, Sujanoi Sujim Japan. Alnus vermicularis Nakai, Korea. References Further reading, Chen, Sijuan Li, Jianhua. Phylogenetics and biogeography of Alnus inferred from sequences of nucleoribosomal DNA ITS region. International Journal of Plant Sciences 165, 325 Euro 335. External links, Flora Europaea, Alnus, Flora of Bolivia, Alnus, Flora of China, Alnus, Flora of North America, Alnus, Flora of Pakistan, Alnus,